Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my Allah is also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to learn Almighty Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please would you also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest video. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet amigurumi doll free ideas, different pattern, beautiful ideas, most demanding collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work, beautiful handmade knitting variety, most demanding collection. Follow my channel. Some are beautiful crochet frock wearing ideas, some are beautiful crochet romper wearing ideas, different dresses, different ideas of crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. Most demanding collection, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet amigurumi doll ideas. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Beautiful designing, beautiful pattern. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.